Hey kids, remember me? I'm Lulu. And today I'm going to read Wally Gets Wet. It's all about the short vowel sound E. And that sound is like this. Eh, as in egg. Okay, let's get started. Here are some words with the short sound E. So, wet, jet, set, bet, red, bed, head, friend, and kelp, which is a little different, but it still has the sound. Kelp. Okay, are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Wally the Walrus rolled off of his chest and slipped into the surf. He was soggy, the best. He splashed in the sea with a flap and a jet, then shook off the drips. He was thoroughly wet. A little red crab gave his flipper a tap, then darted away with a small sideways snap. A puffin flew by in a wobbly loop, then landed beside him in seaweed and goop. Wally said, "Friend, want to splash on a bet? Let's race to the sea and get ourselves wet." They dove and they bobbled and they flopped and they spun till Puffin cried out, "This splashing's too fun." They rested on kelp near a big coral bed, and Wally let seawater drip from his head. He gave a soft grunt and a blubbery sigh. The puffin just chuckled and said, "Time to dry." They lay on the beach, the sun nearly set, and felt totally happy and totally spent. And that's the story of Wally Gets Wet. See you next time in Wally and the Big Fish.